We all need water to live. Civilizations throughout history have thrived or failed depending on access to water and the ability to respond to droughts and climate changes. A rapidly changing climate makes the water manager's job today ever more important and difficult. For many years, the early to mid-1960s drought of record in the Northeast was recognized as the benchmark for severe drought planning. This is no longer the case, as droughts have become more prevalent and severe as a result of evolving climate changes. No longer can water managers simply move to the next source or drill deeper wells. Wells can only supply as much groundwater as is recoverable and naturally replenished in the tapped aquifer. Overpumping aquifers is not only costly, but leads to other negative impacts, including irreversible groundwater level declines, dried up streams, land subsidence, groundwater quality changes such as saltwater intrusion, not to mention conflicting water rights. While state groundwater permits may allow pumping rates that overtap aquifers, the forward-thinking water manager wants to understand how much water can be withdrawn over a given time without negative impacts. Maintaining safe yield requires balancing the water that is pumped from the aquifer with the water recharged. When the precipitation is low, withdrawal should be closely managed to not exceed yield. Communities that strive to meet sustainable yield include allowances for past and future extremes in precipitation recharge and drought, and minimize inefficiencies in their infrastructure, making them more resilient. Using site-specific predictions based on recent precipitation trends, future predictions incorporating climate change, and comparisons with historic information, Weston and Sampson can help water managers anticipate current and long-term water source needs. Nature-based solutions for stormwater management that include green infrastructure techniques to enhance recharge can be an integral solution. As your partner in managing water supply in a complex world, Weston and Sampson can help your community find the right set of solutions to help you not only prepare for future droughts, but be ready to manage droughts for longer periods of time.